Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle FTP server. First, let's get started by understanding its core function, enabling file transfers over a network. Begin by downloading and installing the Circle FTP server software onto your computer. Once installed, launch the application and navigate to the settings. Here, you'll configure crucial initial parameters like the server's root directory and the port it will listen on, typically port 21. This foundational setup is key to getting your server operational.
It's crucial to be aware of the Roth IRA contribution limits. For 2024 and 2025, the maximum you can contribute is $7,000 or $8,000 if you are age 50 or older. Your eligibility to contribute may be affected by your modified adjusted gross income, so always check current IRS guidelines. You can make contributions for a given tax year up until the tax filing deadline, which is usually April 15th of the following year. Be sure to avoid exceeding these limits to prevent IRS penalties. Once your Roth IRA is funded, you can begin investing in various assets like stocks, ETFs, and options, all commission-free. Webull also offers a premium subscription that includes a 3.5% match on IRA contributions, which can significantly boost your savings. A major benefit of a Roth IRA is the ability to make tax-free withdrawals of both your contributions and earnings in retirement. Furthermore, unlike some other retirement accounts, there are no required minimum distributions during your lifetime.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.